मेरे बढ़ते कदम के प्रायोजक हैं महिला मंडल पंजाबी बाग।
नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं MMPV आवाज़ का खास कार्यक्रम मेरे बढ़ते कदम और मैं हूं आपके साथ मानसी। महज छोटी सी उम्र में बड़े बड़े सेल्फ लर्निंग अचीवमेंट प्राप्त करने वाले प्रूडेंस स्कूल के 7th क्लास के स्टूडेंट तनिष्क कपूर हमारे साथ हैं। आइए बात करते हैं उनसे और जानते हैं उनके बारे में। तनिष्क, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका। सबसे पहले हम आपके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे।
Hi everyone, I am Tanish Kapoor of grade 7, Prudence School, Ashok Vihar, and I like to do coding, and it's my passion. And I have created so many games, apps so far, and it's my passion, and I love to do it.
जैसे कि हमने सुना है कि आपने कई सारे गेम बनाए हैं, तो उनके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे।
So now let me show you my portfolio. So this is my portfolio, and I made it on my own. And in this I have my strengths. I have learned all these languages in this lockdown, and I utilized my time. And I started my coding from White Hat Junior, and I got certified with game developer and app developer from White Hat Junior. So I created this game. I have named it JavaScript Racer, and I have created many websites and apps and games. Then even I got 1 year free membership from Apple, and I was recognized as the youngest developer of Apple. So this is the game that I created. So this is Sniper Strike game, and I got 4.7 rating on this with 3000 plus viewers. So in this we need concentration, focus and controlling for our mind. So we can shoot the people. Then I got first position in this game. This game was a competition by Apple. Then this is the second game that I created. This is the flying game, flying car. So in this, it's a game type of taxi that we need to pick up the people and drop it. Then I have created one of the widgets app named Color Widgets. So this is the app, and you can choose your favorite widget out of these. It has many options in this. And then I have also used widgets like this, and I got first position in this competition and got 4.6 rating and 5000 plus downloads. Then I have created one watch face app. So this is the watch face, and I got second position in this. I have made this for the enjoyment of kids. And now let me show you the apps that I have published on Play Store. Then I have created these all apps on Play Store. And now I will show you my game using Python. So the game name is Flappy Bird. So this is the Flappy Bird game that I have created using Python. I have created this game Brick Breaker. So now let me show you that how to play this game. So this game is basically made for enjoyment. And this is the game Candy Crush. And this game uses focus. So I have created this program for kids, and in this program we can learn alphabets in an interesting way. So now I have created one program which can detect the image recognizer. So I have used ML, machine learning and Python to make this. So I have taken this picture of the keyboard, and now I will click on use. So it's giving me the output as computer keyboard. So it's detecting the correct. So my next program is this live location. I have made this also using Python and ML, machine learning. So in this I will click on my location, so it will direct contact to the satellite and it will give me the my area location. And we have two more examples here, like Paris. So I did ethical hacking and helped my classmates and my mom to get out of their hacked devices. So now I want to show you my Arduino projects. So this is the smart dustbin that I have created using Arduino. So I have used a switch here. So now it's power on. So whenever I will keep the object nearby, so it will open. Now I can throw and it will close. So my next project is this robotic car. So I have used Bluetooth module and using Arduino I have created this. So we can control using this app, and so now my next project is RFID login. So this is the smart login to the system. So I have created using so this is the card from which we can enter to our system. So we don't need to write the password. So right now it will ask for password and I will just tap on this, so it's unlocked. So my next project is this radar. So this is basically used for security purposes and used in military systems, so that any movement will be there, so it will be captured on the screen. So now let me show you. So now it will, if I will just put this object here, so now when it will be coming back, so red light will be there on the screen. So now it's telling me that some object is nearby that radar sensor. So this is my recent game Blade Racer. So in this game, I will just start the engine loading. So this is also a racing game. And this is the second version of JavaScript Racer. So this is my YouTube channel Studio Coders. If anyone of you wants to learn coding, and I update all my projects there. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel.
अब हमारे साथ हैं तनिष्क की छोटी बहन। आइए उनसे जानते हैं कि तनिष्क ने कभी उनके लिए कुछ बनाया है या नहीं।
I am Bhuvi Kapoor from grade 3 Prudence School Ashok Vihar. I am extremely happy that my brother have achieved such a great achievement. Also on Raksha Bandhan he made a digital doodle app for me. I shared it with my teachers and friends. They were glad to see that app.
आइए बात करते हैं तनिष्क के पापा से। सर अब मैं आपसे बात करना चाहूँगी। सर मैं पूछूंगी आपसे कि तनिष्क इतने सारे अचीवमेंट हासिल किए, कैसा लगता है आपको, कितना प्राउड फील होता है?
Hello everyone, I am Amit Kapoor, father of Tanish Kapoor. I am very much proud of my son. He is multi-talented. He achieved so many certificates. I am really proud of him. And I would like to give thanks to Prudence School and the teachers. They really motivate and encourage him a lot. Thank you.
अंत में मैम हम आपसे एक संदेश चाहेंगे अपने टीम दर्शकों और महिला दर्शकों के लिए।
सबसे पहले मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ आपके चैनल को, जिन्होंने सभी बच्चों को इस समय ऐसे टफ टाइम में सभी बच्चों को मोटिवेट किया है, और ये जो काम आपने शुरू किया है उसके लिए मेरा दिल से धन्यवाद करती हूँ। और आगे भी आप लोग ऐसे ही काम करते रहिए। सभी माता पिता से मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि वे अपने बच्चों के टैलेंट को पहचानें और उन्हें सपोर्ट करें, जिससे कि वो आगे आ सके।
अभी हम लोगों ने देखा तनिष्क ने लॉकडाउन में क्या क्या इन्वेंशन की। अब मैं वॉल पे देख रही हूँ कई सारे सर्टिफिकेट लगे हुए हैं, तो तनिष्क से उनके बारे में जानना चाहूँगी। तनिष्क, इन सब के बारे में मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी।
So these all certificates are for my appreciation that I got during lockdown.
अभी चलते हैं एक ब्रेक पर और ब्रेक से आने के बाद जानेंगे तनिष्क के फ्यूचर प्लान के बारे में।
मेरे बढ़ते कदम के प्रायोजक हैं महिला मंडल पंजाबी बाग।
आपका अपना यूनिफॉर्म वाला आपकी पहचान। एग्जॉटिक कार्ड, इंपीरियर वेडिंग।
ले जा रे, ले जा रे, ले जा रे, महकी रात में चुरा के सारे रंग ले जा। राती राती मैं भीगू साथ में, तू ऐसी मुलाकात दे जा। ले जा रे, महकी रात में चुरा के सारे रंग ले जा। राती राती मैं भीगू साथ में, तू ऐसी मुलाकात दे जा। ले जा रे।
ब्रेक के बाद स्वागत है। आइए चलते हैं तनिष्क के पास। तनिष्क, हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि इतनी छोटी सी उम्र में आपने इतने सारे अचीवमेंट हासिल किए, साथ ही ये भी जानना चाहेंगे कि आपका फ्यूचर का प्लान क्या है।
I am very much proud on myself for after achieving these many certificates, and in the future also I will be keep doing this and achieve more certificates and I will gain my knowledge.
अब तनिष्क, हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि फैमिली में किसका किसका सपोर्ट आपको सबसे ज़्यादा मिलता है।
So I got my whole family support with me as they motivated and supported me to learn more and more.
हमारे खास कार्यक्रम में मेरे बढ़ते कदम में हमारे साथ थे तनिष्क कपूर। आप देखते रहिए MMPV आवाज़।